Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm doing a blue and white tablescape. This is part of the How to Decorate Blue and White Porcelain Chinoiserie Chic Decor that is hosted by Glamour Ellen and Danielle, the domestic scientist. I absolutely adore these two ladies. This collaboration is co-hosted by Life of Greenwood with Karen 1310, Anne of Renters Love Luxury by Anne, B of Elegant Designs by B, Didi of Didi Mom Boss, Gigi Faison for the Love of Home Decor, Chanel of Inspired by Chanel, Joy Condi, Felicia of the Rogers House, The Glamorous Fern, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, and Mike and Vel's Life. Also in my description box, you will find the link to the playlist where all the participating channels are going to be, and you are going to get so inspired with different styles of blue and white tablescape decor. I'm going to start my tablescape with this white cotton tablecloth, and it's by Quality Living. The placemats I'm going to be using are from Home Goods, and they're by Real Simple. They're $7.99 for 8 of them, so $1 each. The chargers I'm going to be using are just plain white chargers that I got on Amazon. I will link the chargers in my description box, and also you can find them in my Amazon store. I'll give a link to that also. And now for my beautiful Spode dishes. I'm going to tell you why these are basically just the most special things I own. My husband and I have been going through infertility for about 15 years. And if you ever know anyone who's been going through infertility, it costs so much money. So when we were going through that, and this was about 7 years ago, all the money went to medication, to all of that. And you still want to go shopping. So I had a small budget for actual, just shopping, whatever for myself. And I would go to Home Goods or Marshall, and I would buy sometimes 1, sometimes 3 pieces. And slowly I started collecting my Spode. So this is dish number 1. And this one is Wood Woman. Plate number 2. It's Rural Scenes. Plate number 3 is called Greek. Plate number 4, it's Warwick Vase. Plate number 5, this one's so beautiful. And this one's called Lucano. And plate number 6 is a beautiful floral plate, and it's called Byron Groups. For the salad plate, I'm using these Corelle dishes, and this is from my everyday dishware. And I thought it would be really cute to break up all that circular kind of look. And this one is square, and I'm going to put it kind of like in a diamond shape on the plates. These napkin ring holders I bought in Kyiv, Ukraine, and they are hand painted. And they're wooden, but look how gorgeous they are. So beautiful. And I'm just going to grab my napkin, go to the center, and pull. Nothing exciting. Simple and clean. Next, I'm going to show you these Spode vases I bought at Marshall's. They have Spode on them right there. They came out as a set of 3, but I will be using 2 of these for today's tablescape. This next piece, it says instant coffee on it. I'm actually going to use as a vase. I got some fresh flowers that I'm going to put in here. So here we go. Let's do the flowers next. All right, I'm putting another placement in the middle of the table. Then I got these kind of candle holders. I'm going to put that in the center plus a little doily. And that is, let me center that. That is where this is going to stand. And then I'm going to bring in the white ones. And by the way, if you want to see how much I paid and all of that for these, for the little stands or the candle holders, these are from Home Goods. And I'm going to have them in my Ray Dunn haul from Home Goods that's coming up this coming week. Next, I have these beautiful candle holders that were gifted to me. Now for some fun decor, I have this little bell. Look at her, how cute that is. And she makes noise. And also I have another bell. So I decided to change a few things around. Sometimes that's how it goes. When you're decorating, you see it, you feel it, and then you're like, I need to change a little bit. So I put the flowers right by the big bouquet, but then I added right on those stands these candle holders. So here's my first one, and then here is my second one. Look how adorable. Look at the detail on it, right? How beautiful. And it even has a matching candle. I think this is so beautiful. For the finishing touches, I'm going to put something on the other side of the bell. So the first one is this little jar. It has openings on top and on the lid. And then I also have a cute little box. There you go. For the mugs, I'm going to be using 3 different sets of 2. So the first set is this one, and this one is Spode. The bottom, oh, I'm sure I have it upside down. So this one is Spode, and I love the details on the inside of the mug. And then this one also. And they are a pair, it's the same thing. On the opposite side of the table, I'm going to put these, and they have little design on the inside also. And they are by Willow. And I think they're just so beautiful, and they're identical too. On the sides of the table, I'm going to put this pair, and they have a little bit of a design right inside. And I'm not sure what they're, I'm not sure who made these. This was gifted to me because someone knew that I was collecting blue and white china, but I think this is so beautiful. And now for the finishing touch, I'm going to put in a little wine glass, and this one has a little ribbon bow that I just tied around the stem and put it towards the bottom because you want people to pick up the glass without, you know, any issues. So I just put it at the bottom. For silverware, I'm just using my everyday flatware. you enjoyed my blue and white tablescape. I wanted to say thank you to the hosts and co-hosts of this collab, and the playlist will be in the description box below. Click that so you can see all the other tablescapes and what each designer has done for their beautiful blue and white. If you're new to my channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.